Hello friends, today I am going to show how to create a function using Linux bash scripting. So let's see how to do it. First we need to create a nano file. For that nano I am going to name it function.sh. Okay, now I am going to create that function. So we need to use hash, then next exclamation mark, then slash, then we need to use bin slash and bash. Now I'm going to create that function. I'm going to name it Linux. Okay guys, now we need to put a square bracket, curly bracket. Now inside this function you need to press a tab. Now we are inside that function, Linux function. I'm going to create a for loop. So please watch that my video how to create a for loop using bash scripting. I in that variable $sign sec 16. So that $sign mean the $sign before the thing in parentheses usually refer to a variable. That's mean whatever thing inside these that brackets, that parentheses is usually that refer to a variable, that $sign before the thing in the parentheses, that's the brackets. So now we use sec command in Linux used to generate numbers from first to last in steps of increment. This for loop work 1 to 6. So let's see how to work it. For this one we need to start this for loop do. Now I'm going to use a variable local. I'm going to name it cyber equal allow cyber. Now I'm going to print this one. We use echo for that. Then I'm going to use $sign to refer to that variable cyber. Okay, now I'm going to close this for loop and bracket. Now I'm going to equal this function to result $sign and then that function name Linux. Okay, now I'm going to print this result $sign. We need to put $sign to refer that to that variable result. Control S and Control X. Now still we cannot run this one because we need to give permission. You can see if I type function.sh, you can see permission denied. We need to give permission for that sh mode plus that we need to execute this one, the execution permission, then press tab function.sh, then press enter. Now we can run this one. Let's see .sh. You can see it's printed that I allow cyber 6 times. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is how these functions work and create using bash scripting in Linux. So guys, I hope you have now an idea how to create a bash script, create a function. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please comment and share. So guys, thank you very much.